So here we are, this is Kingstanding today. This is Kingstanding Circle. So let's have a look what's going on. This is a brand new channel, so please subscribe and stay tuned, because we'll be here filming on a regular basis and keeping you in touch with how the development for the new Lidl, which is proposed for Kingstanding Circle, is going ahead. The old Kingstanding pub. It's been shut a long time now. Apparently there's a Roman wall buried underneath the foundations, which I presume they're going to have to preserve. And let me just show you the circle as it is today. There it is in all its glory. And here we are, the site of the new Kingstanding Circle Lidl. Apparently they tried to buy the Mecca Bingo Hall and build on that site, but was refused. And this is it today. Farm Foods has gone. I think Farm Foods and the card shop were the last ones standing. Yeah. Looks like they're doing some foundation work for electrics, utilities and such. And here we are. And the last remnants of the Kingstanding Circle shopping centre. Domino's Pizzas was there last to go. They're now situated over there by the old police station. They're in the old police station now, opposite the co-op, if you want to know. But there you go. Let's see if we can get a closer look inside. I don't think we will be able to. All this is going. And unfortunately we can't really see much in there. Let's see if I can get you in here. I don't think we can see much in there. Just have a look over here. Oh, we can see something, I think. And there it is. The last pictures you'll ever see of the old Kingstanding Circle. I used to come here to go to the post office. And there you go. So stay tuned. Please subscribe. Please subscribe and I'll keep you posted.